1, 2, 3, come on.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have taken the question from class 11th physics from the chapter one dimension, motion in one dimension. Okay, so the question is like this. For a freely falling body, what is the ratio of distance covered in successive equal interval of time? So we are going to find out the ratio of distance with respect to time. Okay, let us take a body is freely falling towards the earth. Okay, so if there is a body is falling towards the earth means, okay, there is a distance means I have taken a distance from here to here and here. There are three successive points that I have taken here. Okay, so from here to here, what is the distance which is crossed? Okay, so we don't know, so let us take it as S1. Okay, so similarly from here to here, what is the distance which is covered by that body means, so it is S2. Okay, similarly from here to here, so let us take it as S3, the distance which is covered by that body. Okay, so now what is the initial velocity of this body? That is initial velocity u equals to 0. Okay, so similarly, so what is the time taken from here to here? So they are saying that equal interval of time. So if they said that as equal interval of time, let me take that the time t equals to, okay, so 1t or 1 second right now. So I can take it as 1 second. Okay, so from here to here the time it is 1 second. And what is the time taken from here to here? It's an equal interval of time. Definitely that is also 1 second. And from here to here, observe carefully. Okay, so from here to here that is also 1 second. But so here you're supposed to observe here. So from here to here 1 second, okay, but what is the time taken from here to here? So the total time taken from here to here, it is how much? 2 seconds, right? Because 1 and plus 1. And similarly for the third one, what is the time taken? That is 3 seconds. Okay, so I can take this one as t1 and this one as t2 and this one as t3. Okay, yeah, time finished, no problem. Next, what is the acceleration here? So what is the acceleration? Acceleration due to gravity. That is the very important point that I am going to say you here. Okay, so it is traveling against to gravity. Usually against to gravity means you're supposed to take the negative, isn't it? Okay, so but here while you are solving this problem, okay, so we have an equations like based on the kinematic equations for one dimensional motions, right? Okay, so there is a particular equation we have. Okay, based on that we used to go with the positive one. Okay, so remember that. So that's why I'm taking positive g here. Okay, so don't get confused. Even if you took the negative also, you will get the same answers over there. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, based on the kinematic equations for the one dimensional equation motions. Okay, so accelerations we got, but so now we are finding the ratios of the distance covered. Distance, ratios of distance means, so we have taken 3 points over here right now. So S1 is to S2 and is to S3, the ratios of S1, S2, S3. It means that you're supposed to find out the distance or displacement. We can call it as a displacement also. Okay, so that we have to identify. Okay, so which formula I can use? So as I told you that before, based on the kinematic equations for one dimension, there is a formula like, so that is Sn is equals to u plus a divided by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, based on this we can find out easily. So now there is one questions will arise in this. What does that mean? So we have an equations like s equals to ut plus of it square, right? Can't we use this one? Okay, so of course we can use this formula also, and we can solve the same problems. Only if you need, so just keep a message in an inbox. So then if you need means, I can explain you that by using this formula also. because it's quite lengthier one compared to this one, so that's the reasons I have taken this one. Okay, so if it is required means you can ask me. Okay, so I can make another video for that, and I'll give you the information based on that. So let us find out the S1. Okay, so here one thing you're supposed to remember, the question is based on the distance. So distance with respect to, so time, distance with respect to time. So that's why the formula will become, so like how means, so distance with respect to time I have taken. So initial velocity as it is, a acceleration. Okay, so 2 into, so with respect to time means 2t minus 1. Okay, so now let us find out S1. So S1 is how much? So u, what is the initial velocity here? Okay, so initial velocity is 0. So then 0 plus, so acceleration due to gravity, it is g divided by 2. Okay, so 2 into 1 minus 1. So then S1 is equals to 0. G by 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 it is 1. So that is answer is g divided by 2. Okay, so similarly I can go with the S2. I can directly, I'll go, so formula is u, so u is 0 plus a means g divided by 2. So g divided by 2, so 2 into, so time it is 2, because from here to here what is the time? 2 seconds right now. So 2 minus 1, that's I can get it 0 as it is. So here g by 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 it is 3, that I can write it as S2 is equals to 3 into g by 2. Okay, similarly I can go with the S3 also. So S3, that is 0 plus g by 2 into, so 3 to the 6 minus 1, that is S3 equals to, okay, so S3 equals to, so how much? 6 minus 1 it is 5 g divided by 2. Okay, so 5g divided by 2. So now as per the questions, so according to the questions we have to find out that, so ratio of S1, S2 and S3, right? Okay, so now S1 is how much? So it is nothing but g divided by 2. S2 is how much? So 3 into g divided by 2. And S3 is how much? 5 into g divided by 2. Okay, so now the ratio means it's nothing but the divisions right now. So now if I am going to divide from these two, okay, so here simple division I'll go. So g by 2 whole divided by 3 into g divided by 2. G by 2 will get cancelled, remaining 1 by 3. 1 is to 3 right now. So similarly even here also. So then g by 2 and g by 2 will get cancelled. So remaining, what is the ratio? 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, so similarly, so just imagine that, so here I have taken 3 points, 3 positions I have taken. If you are going with the another positions like S4, okay, so definitely you're going to get the next one, that is 7 itself. Okay, so similarly, and you can observe the distance. So the distances are, it's getting enlarging right now, so compared to each one. Okay, so this is the way. And here this one actually, so this is also we are going to call by another name, that is Galileo law of odd number. So thank you so much.